I think you need to order quite this one.
Never been so excited to film anything in my life, honestly.
We've made Uber Eats so many times.
Yeah, we actually have. Okay, hello boys and girls, welcome back. Welcome back to my eating show, because that's what this channel is about to become. So I'm here with Charlie. Some of you will know Charlie's my brother. We're currently in LA for a week. So we thought we'd do... That was just rude. That was actually just rude. We thought we'd do a testing vegan fast food, because I feel like in LA especially, there's like way more of a bigger vegan scene than there is at home. So we've ordered burgers, we've ordered pizza, we've ordered chicken, like beef options, prawn options, salmon options. Apparently vegan salmon is a thing. Prawns and salmon.
What do you mean, like vegan prawns?
Vegan prawns and vegan
so
salmon.
Not real prawns.
Not real, but like I don't know how you do that. I mean, I'm intrigued. Oh, what's that with these chicken nugs?
Alright.
These look fucking weird.
I ain't eating that. I'll have a taste of everything, but oh my god.
I mean, some of this has been here a while because we had to wait for it all to come at once. It is very chewy. I don't know where these are from. Why is it so chewy?
The sauce is pain.
The sauce is good, but it's just barbecue sauce. I feel like, have you had corn vegan nuggets?
No.
No. I feel like they're better. I feel like corn's not popular here. Like,
Not into their fun bag. For being vegan, he gets a 6. We're talking on the just food.
we're talking on taste.
Yeah, taste 4.
Okay.
4.
Alright, first. I mean,
Sauce
yeah.
gets a nice 8 or something.
Corn.
Sauce was good.
You've got
What
nothing to
would
worry
you
about.
do?
Alright, we've got mushroom tacos and we got cauliflower tacos. So which do you want to do?
Secure me the cauliflower.
Yeah, I didn't think you'd want to do the mushroom.
No, I like mushroom.
Oh yeah. This is what our little vegan tacos look like. So mine are mushroom and something. Charlie's a fried cauliflower. I don't know if they've got any like vegan cheese or anything on. Mine's got like coriander.
Smells nice.
I mean,
Smells healthy.
do you know what? You can't go wrong with a taco. You can. First of all, mine's cold.
Mine's cold.
Not bad. I mean, it needs like a bit of... I definitely need some sort of like sauce. Something like really spicy. I'm not convinced on that.
Do you want a bit of mine?
Yeah. Do you want to try that? You're absolutely not.
I'll give it a 5.
Yours is better than mine.
I'll give it a 5. Yours is worse than mine. I am not eating yours.
Right, I feel like this is what I'm most hopeful for. This and the pizza, I'm like, you can't go wrong. Like, surely.
This burger smells incredible.
Delicious. Right.
So good.
So it's got vegan cheese, it's got lettuce, onion, I don't know what else, tomato.
Look at that bad boy. Brioche.
Cheese.
Brioche though.
Yeah, it looks good that. Okay, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
That's good.
Tastes just like a burger.
That's so good. What the hell?
Is this a burger?
Oh my god, no it's not, it's soy beef. It actually tastes like I'm eating beef. I've not had red meat in like 2 years. So like,
you don't even know
I don't know what to
red meat
think
tastes
right
like
now.
anymore.
Right, I feel like I'm just eating this for the rest of the video and that's it.
Weird, that's so weird. That
Right.
tastes like a burger, like what the hell?
So, you eat red meat.
Yeah.
If you had to choose between that and a normal beef burger, would you eat that over a normal beef burger?
No.
Why?
Like it still tastes really good, but it doesn't quite.
But you can tell it's not meat.
There's a little...
Yeah, but for the sake of knowing it's not meat, I don't know.
I'd say it's better than like a McDonald's burger, yeah. Like I'd eat this rather than a McDonald's burger, or like most burgers like that. But like my favorite burger is like probably like a Burger King burger and like that In-N-Out one that I had.
Yeah, you had an In-N-Out yesterday, didn't you?
It's not.
It's not quite that.
But I don't think it's because of the meat, if you know what I mean. It's more the rest of it.
I'm shocked. This is so good. This is actually like the best burger I've ever had. I can't get over how good that was.
Nice little pickle.
Do you know what? I don't mind pickles. Everyone hates pickles. Like everyone always picks pickles off, and I actually don't mind them. I don't know where that was from, but I'm ordering that again before we leave. I swear, that was so good. I don't think anything's gonna top that.
I'll give it a 9.
You give it a 9.
Give it a 9.
So cynical. No, I'm joking.
I give that one a 9. I give my one an 8.
Okay,
What's
right.
on this? There's like some vegan meat on it.
Vegan chicken, onion.
Oh yeah.
I don't know what else.
Cheese
I
is
just know it's
looking
got
a bit-
like vegan meat on it.
Just looking at the, you know.
Why is it spicy?
What does not taste like pizza?
Oh, well, it's quite spicy. I'm not good with spice at all. You don't like it? I don't mind that. I feel like vegan cheese always does taste quite like buttery.
Buttery.
I don't know why I'm eating it because it's really spicy and like it's gonna start burning my mouth, but I actually quite like that. I feel like I'll probably eat that later. Oh,
Alright,
oh,
pizza,
it's a burger. Oh, I got another burger. Oh no, but I feel like we need to compare
the burgers.
Compare the burgers.
You just want to eat more of that burger. Like, let me get a bite of this one, let me get a bite of that one.
I ordered this one because this one's chicken.
Okay.
So I feel like I'm only gonna do a bite because like I'm literally like full at this point.
You got a lot to go.
A lot to go. Right, so this is avocado, like soy chicken. Something. I don't know. We'll see.
Big. You should hold on that next to your face for like size comparison. That is a huge burger.
I like that, but I prefer the beef one. No, sorry. That tastes more chicken than the chicken nuggets do.
Just like no chicken?
No. But that tastes like chicken, doesn't it?
It tastes like chicken.
It tastes like chicken.
Are you sure there's chicken?
No, it's not. It's soy chicken.
Well, it's even like a chicken-y texture.
I know.
Madness.
Mad what people
They're
can
doing
do,
science
I swear,
out here.
honestly.
Slaps!
So good. I don't want to do this salmon. What is that?
You know what they've done, yeah? Taken a piece of tofu. They've taken a piece of tofu, got some like fish flavours or something, like artificial. Then they've like coloured it in so it looks like salmon. They've like, you can tell.
I'm joking. You won't even eat it.
I don't like salmon altogether, so.
Right.
What's it saying? Salmon.
Just...
Taste of salmon.
I didn't even want to start gagging. I was like, I'm going to stop that right now before it starts. Oh, that was really bad.
Whoa, this is a heavy box. What else is it?
Careful because it's got like
Soy
teriyaki sauce in it. It's supposed to be like teriyaki
Oh,
salmon.
whoa, it doesn't even smell good.
Oh, that smells. Oh.
Do I have to
It's
eat
the
it?
texture. I know, you have to try a bit.
Why?
Just try a bit. Wait, rip a bit off.
I didn't agree to this.
Yeah, you did. Come on, it's funny.
It's funny.
I like
Vegan
salmon. Salmon's one of
yeah.
my favourite things to eat. What was that? I can't explain it. It's like... Yeah, that was not good.
It has zero taste. Like, it actually doesn't taste of anything.
But it just like smells in your mouth.
Not
or
even
like...
that, but like, the texture's just so weird. Like, it's like chewy, but then it melts.
Oh yeah, I didn't like that. I don't know if this is chow mein.
Got a little bowl of noodles.
Yeah, we just got some like noodles from the same place that does the salmon. I feel like have you had tofu?
I don't think so. Well, I just didn't I?
I feel like I prefer tofu when it's chewy, not when it's soft. So like you can get different textures with tofu, but I like chewy tofu because otherwise it's a little bit like, just kind of like melts into nothing. Since when was I a tofu connoisseur?
This is exactly what I was going to say.
I give it a 6. Okay, what have we got left? A burrito! No, there's no fake meat in this. Sweet potato.
It's a beefy motherfucker.
It's like some big fucking burrito. What is that, Mario Kart with the flowers?
What do you want about Mario Kart with the flowers? I'm getting a load of rice.
Just rice and nothing else.
It literally is just rice.
Gonna just like casually like bring my burger back up as you're eating that. Stupid idea. How can you not taste sweet potato? It tastes nice, but it's just not very flavoursome. That's the right word.
Maybe they knew we were white. And they were like, no spice for these guys.
Like...
They just saw your little picture on the Uber Eats and they were like, she doesn't want spice.
For fuck's sake, I actually get roasted for that all the time for not liking spicy food.
Do you?
Yeah, Santi always roasts me for it. Listen, I'm finishing this burger, I don't know about you.
Right, what are we giving the burrito?
Bland.
It's a
That's
bland,
it.
it's a bland out of 10.
It's cold now, but I don't even care, it's so good.
Woo! Well, if there's one thing we learned, this burger place is banging.
Right, conclusion of the video. The only place we'll order from again is the burger place. Including the chicken burger place, because that was good. Pizza I feel like the pizza I'll eat later today. As a meat eater, would you order the vegan burger again?
If I was eating with someone who is vegan,
Yeah.
then yeah, but I feel like it's probably costs more money, so there's no point like... I don't have a problem with eating meat, so like, why would I just be like, yeah, let me get this vegan burger.
Save the animals and save the planet. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.